I'm Jade.
I'm Miriam.
We have another partner. Her name is Dali, but she's not here. Apparently, I'm the funny one,
I'm the weird one.
and Dali's the overexcited, hyper one. When she comes, you'll see what we're talking about, okay? Okay, a few things about us. I love Justin Bieber. I'm a believer all the way. He's my life. I don't know what I'd do without him. All hail to Justin Bieber.
Okay, I'm Miriam and I like fries and eating, and my favorite color is yellow. And that's pretty much it.
We're from Quebec, Canada.
It's cold and rainy outside.
So yeah, we all had YouTube videos and we all took them down for different reasons. So now we're gonna try it all together, the three amigos. We're gonna be the three best friends that anybody ever had. We're the three best friends that anybody ever had. Okay, yeah. So we might seem boring at first, but
We could do
subscribe.
anything.
Yeah, anything you want, like
Ask
inbox us or
and
something,
we'll do it.
I swear we'll do it. We don't care what it is.
Well,
Unless you tell us to like strip naked or something. We're not gonna do that. No. Okay.
there's a couple of things we wouldn't do, but some of them we'll do.
Oh yeah.
It's there, the three amigos.
Yeah. You could follow me on Twitter, Jade Pare, JADEPARE, and get Justin to follow me and to tweet me. Okay, please. If you do, I'll freaking like marry you. Okay, I won't. Unless you're Justin Bieber, then I will. But yeah.
Well, you can follow me on Facebook or Instagram on Miriam Bernier. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay.
And Dali on Facebook.
So subscribe and like. Tell us what you want us to do, and we'll do it.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Bye.
Adios. Okay.
Go.
Now we look like we're freezing or we're like in Alaska or something. Okay, yeah, we gotta mention where we are. Okay. Ready? Oh, nice position. Oh.